What's up, guys? Today I just want to make this quick video to let you know that Coinbase is currently giving out up to $171 in free crypto. All you need is a Coinbase account, and to check the description below, I'll have a link to the three cryptos that they're giving out. They're giving out Compound, which you can earn $59 in, EOS, which you can earn $50 in, and XLM, which you can earn $50 in. And then there's also two other coins that you can earn $6 each in, which is Maker and Celo. Now, once you've created your account and you've clicked the link below, you'll land on a page like this. All you have to do is click get started and you'll be shown these videos. And then after you watch the video, you'll have to answer a simple quiz based on the video. And if you check the description below, I have the answers to the quizzes, so you don't have to watch the video if you don't want to. Once you've completed the quizzes and everything, you'll be deposited. There'll be, I think, $10 deposited from each into your account, and then you'll be given a referral code for up to 4 invites that you can give out to your friends, and you'll earn $10 each from those invites. So a total of $171 if you do everything. So yeah, it's as simple as that. Do the quizzes, they'll deposit the money. You can decide to withdraw the money. You can keep the money in your account and build, or you can sell it and buy Bitcoin or Ethereum. And it's free money. It's awesome. They always do this. They rotate different coins out throughout the year. So if you come back to this video, if you're watching this video in at a later date, there might be different coins up that you can earn. So I'll have everything linked below. If they add new ones, I'll put the link for them below as well. And I just want to let you guys know that it's free money, and who doesn't like free money? So thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.